First, I prepared the materials needed for this project, which was a dinner plate, some milk, a few colors of food coloring, a bit of dish soap, and a crumpled up piece of tissue paper. Next, I poured some milk on a plate. After that, I put some dish soap on a crumpled up piece of paper. Then I added a few drops of different colored food coloring. Here comes the fun part. Voila! The science behind this experiment. When liquid dish soap is added to milk with drops of food coloring on the surface, the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk and reacts with the fat. This interaction causes the fat particles in the milk to move and create swirls of color. This spot kinda looks like a nebula. Interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.